Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense forest, lived a small eel-like creature called Lamprey. Lamprey was not like the other animals, for he had no teeth to eat food. Instead, he had a strange mouth structure that sucked the blood of other creatures. One day, Lamprey saw a beautiful, vibrant butterfly on a flower. He gazed at her, wishing he could enjoy her beauty like the other animals. He yearned for a change, a way to live a life without causing harm to others. Lamprey began to search for a solution. He asked the wise old owl, who suggested, "Perhaps there is a way for you to live harmoniously with others. Look for a plant that can nourish you without causing harm." Lamprey searched high and low, but he couldn't find any such plant. The days turned into weeks, and still he found none. His friends grew concerned, for Lamprey looked weaker and weaker each day. One day, while he was near a river, he saw a group of algae. He approached them cautiously, and to his surprise, they seemed to move towards him. Lamprey tried it, and to his delight, he found that the algae gave him the energy he needed. Lamprey no longer needed to harm others to survive. He lived a peaceful life, sharing his story with the forest creatures. The forest was a better place with Lamprey, living in harmony with nature. The moral of the story is that change is possible, even for those who seem to be trapped in their ways. Every creature has a unique purpose, and it's up to them to find it. The world is full of possibilities, and it's never too late to seek a better way of life.